Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading Peppa's Playgroup Garden. It is a lovely sunny day. Today we are having a lesson in the Playgroup Garden, says Madame Gazelle. Yay! Madame Gazelle, what makes things grow? Asked Peppa. Let's have a look at all the things that are growing and find out, says Madame Gazelle. Danny Dog and Penny Polar Bear are growing sunflowers. Look, these plants need soil and sunshine to grow, says Madame Gazelle. If I eat soil, will I grow? Asked Danny. No, Danny, says Madame Gazelle. What are you growing, Rebecca? Asked Madame Gazelle. Carrots, says Rebecca Rabbit. They're my favourite. Mandy, what are you doing with your patch? Madame Gazelle asks. Mandy Mouse shows her a piece of cheese. Did you grow cheese? Madame Gazelle gasped. No, says Mandy. You can't grow cheese. This is from a shop. I've grown little tomatoes to eat with my cheese. Yum! I'm growing a pumpkin, says Susie Sheep, but it's titchy tiny. Plants take a long time to grow, says Madame Gazelle. Some water might help. Plants need water to grow. Today's playtime will be in the wild wood, says Madame Gazelle. Let's see what we can find there. Madame Gazelle takes the children to the wood near the playgroup. A butterfly flaps onto Mandy's hand. She smiles. Ah, beautiful. Ooh, I love the wild wood, says Peppa. She leans down to take a closer look at a ladybug resting on a leaf, then sighs, so sweet. A frog hops out of the long grass in front of Danny. Ribbit, says Danny, jumping like the frog. As soon as playtime is over, the children run back to the playgroup garden. Susie stares at her pumpkin and sighs. It still isn't big, she says. Says Madame Gazelle. Some people say that talking to plants can help them grow. Shall we try it? Peppa tries talking to her sunflower. Hello, Mrs. Sunflower. I hope you are happy today. Rebecca wants to try speaking to her carrots. I love you, she whispers, giving the carrots a friendly wave. Grow, 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 Susie tells her pumpkin. Perhaps the plants would like if we sang it a song, says Madame Gazelle. Can we do the Bing Bong song? Asks Danny. Madame Gazelle picks up her guitar. We water the plants and we sing them a song, she sings. With a bing and a bong and a bing. The children cheer in and join in too. Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bingly, bungly, boo. Everyone loves the playgroup garden. Thank you for reading this book with me. If you want more, make sure to check out my channel and hit that subscribe button. Bye! See you next time!